What if you could scale your online income faster without working harder? In 2026, the game has completely changed. Scaling isn't just about hiring more people or grinding away longer hours. It's about building automated systems that work while you sleep. The secret to scaling faster lies in digital leverage, leveraging AI, smart contracts, and decentralized infrastructure to grow your business without constantly putting in more effort. Imagine turning your time into a high-yielding asset, effortlessly expanding your reach, and creating new revenue streams. Let's dive into the top 5 smart ways you can scale your online income faster and more efficiently in 2026. 1. Deploy agentic swarms for lead generation. Traditional lead generation often involves manual outreach, expensive advertising campaigns, and an endless cycle of follow-ups. But in 2026, there's a smarter, more efficient way to generate leads: agentic swarms. This innovative method involves using a group of interconnected AI agents to handle every part of your sales funnel, eliminating the need for tedious manual work. Imagine this. One AI agent scans social media for high-intent leads, identifying individuals or businesses actively looking for solutions. Another agent performs in-depth research on these leads, gathering details about their recent challenges, interests, or business goals. A third AI agent uses this information to create a hyper-personalized message or video script, crafted to resonate with the lead's specific needs. All of this happens automatically, working around the clock, without any manual intervention. By using an agentic swarm, you can reach 1,000 targeted prospects with the same level of personalization that used to take you hours to craft for just a handful of leads. The scale factor here is enormous. Instead of working harder or increasing your workload, you're able to multiply your outreach exponentially, all while maintaining quality and personalization that makes your business stand out. This approach frees you up to focus on more strategic aspects of your business, while the AI agents handle the heavy lifting of lead generation. The best part is that this system becomes more effective over time. As these AI agents learn from each interaction, their ability to identify, research, and engage leads improves. This means that, over time, the AI swarm can continually refine its methods, optimizing your sales process to achieve even greater success with less effort. It's the future of lead generation, smarter, faster, and more scalable than ever before. 2. Transition to outcome-based smart contracts. If you're still using hourly billing or monthly retainers, it's time to rethink your business model. Outcome-based smart contracts are changing the way online businesses manage client payments and expectations. Instead of spending your time tracking invoices or chasing down late payments, smart contracts let you set clear milestones and automate payment release based on specific performance indicators. Platforms like Lane and Request Finance make it simple to implement this system. Let's say you're working with a client on a website traffic project. With an outcome-based smart contract, you can set up a contract that automatically releases a payment once the website reaches a specific traffic milestone, such as 10,000 visits in a month. No more waiting around for clients to approve invoices or deal with the headache of manual payment processes. The beauty of this system is that it eliminates administrative friction, allowing you to focus entirely on delivering results. With smart contracts, you can scale your operations because you no longer have to micromanage your clients. Managing 20 clients becomes just as easy as managing 5, because all the heavy lifting is done by the automated contract system. This provides a reliable hands-off income model that ensures you're paid based on outcomes, not just time spent. Moreover, smart contracts also improve trust with clients. Since the contract is transparent and executed automatically, it reduces misunderstandings and disputes, creating a smoother working relationship. This technology is quickly becoming a must-have for businesses looking to streamline operations and enhance client satisfaction. 3. Build proprietary data moats. In 2026, generic AI content is everywhere, and standing out requires owning something unique: proprietary data. A proprietary data moat gives you a competitive edge by using highly specialized, niche data that no one else can replicate. This could be industry-specific insights, real-world conversion data, or even trends from local markets that are difficult to access. The key here is to build a closed-loop system where you gather and refine this unique data over time. For example, if you're in the digital marketing space, you could track and collect data about real-world conversions for local dental ads, creating a dataset that is incredibly valuable for AI models focused on healthcare marketing. Using this proprietary data, you can train your own AI models that are tailored to your niche, delivering results that are far superior to what generic AI tools can provide. The scale factor with proprietary data is significant because it makes your services uncopyable. No one else can replicate the exact data and insights that you've gathered, which allows you to offer premium services at higher rates. By building your own data moat, you become the go-to expert in your niche, and your business grows faster as you scale your expertise and AI tools with exclusive niche data. This gives you an unfair advantage in the market and positions you to command premium prices for your services. Additionally, as the need for hyper-targeted and accurate data increases, the value of proprietary datasets will only rise. This creates long-term sustainability for your business, as the demand for highly specialized data continues to outpace the supply. 4. Leverage Depend for passive infrastructure. If you're looking for a way to scale your income without increasing your workload, Depend decentralized physical infrastructure networks could be your ticket. Instead of just creating content or services, Depend allows you to own the infrastructure that supports the digital economy. This involves investing in physical assets that are crucial to decentralized networks, such as high-capacity GPU nodes or 5G hotspots, and earning income passively by contributing to these networks. Here's how it works. You invest in specialized hardware, such as a GPU node for AI rendering or a 5G hotspot that helps power the next wave of internet connectivity. These assets are then connected to a global network, where they're used to perform computational tasks or provide internet access. Once you set up your infrastructure, it operates 24/7, earning you passive income as the network grows and your assets are used by others. The scale factor with Depend is that your assets generate income without requiring additional effort from you. As the demand for these decentralized services increases, so does your income. You don't need to do anything beyond maintaining your hardware, which means your income grows automatically as the network expands. This makes it an ideal way to scale your income without having to manage or monitor your business on a daily basis. 5. Fractionalize your high-ticket expertise. In 2026, high-ticket expertise doesn't have to be limited to a few one-on-one clients. By fractionalizing your knowledge, you can turn your expertise into a digital asset that's scalable and accessible to thousands of people. Instead of charging $5,000 for a one-on-one consultancy session, you can sell access tokens that give users access to an AI-powered version of your knowledge. Let's say you're an expert in digital marketing. Instead of working with one client at a time, you can sell 100 access tokens at $100 each, giving users access to a custom-trained GPT model that represents your brain. These tokens also grant access to a private community, like a Discord group, where users can ask questions and get expert insights. The scale factor here is powerful. You're delivering the same value you would in a one-on-one consultancy, but you're doing it at scale, allowing you to help hundreds or even thousands of people at the same time. This creates a high-margin income that can be sold repeatedly without you having to work extra hours. By turning your expertise into a tokenized digital asset, you unlock infinite scalability for your business, allowing you to earn more without putting in more hours.